Okay, anyway, so we are at Dairy Queen. Big truck has to go by. We're at Dairy Queen because they have free cones today, so we came and got one. And this is like the second hood rat thing I've done this month because I got free pancakes the other day. And now I'm getting free ice cream. Oh. It's a hood rat's dream. We live in the dream out here.
Oh, you're the baby, Sophie. What do you think? She's like, I'm the baby. She's like, what is that? Hey, baby. He's so cute. There's not a wrench in here.
You don't need a wrench.
Yeah, you need a wrench to get these off. Yes, you do.
Alright, somebody come in. Do you?
You need a wrench.
Out and just spin it up.
Oh my God.
20-something degree weather. There you go.
Yeah, but line of car. It's too big for it, it won't go.
Oh, I got this.
That's what y'all been saying for an hour. I know.
Yeah, I'll get my jack.
Well, you got a bottle jack.
You wouldn't get a bottle jack under there.
So, Pelham.
So, we were at Walmart and we saw these people, you know, selling something on the side of the road, and we were like, oh, well, I wonder what it is.
Okra? Is that a watermelon?
Yeah. And we pulled up, and it's bunnies for sale.
For only $20.
$20.
They $45 at the pet store. So, really, we're doing everyone a favor here.
Really, we got a deal.
This is Coco. She like tinkled in the box, but it's okay. Just a little bit. She's nervous. She nervous tinkles.
Like someone I know.
So now we're on our way to my house to explain to my mom that we got a bunny. So we'll see how that turns out.
Yeah.
What are you watching?
About
watching a dog run around with us.
dogs that have been unchained for the first time ever. Look at that. Davison, we don't have anywhere to put it.
This is the most
We
beautiful
don't
bunny I've
have
ever
the
seen in my
cage.
life.
Where did you find this bunny?
They were selling them on the side at Taco Bell.
Okay. For how much?
They're $20. He was on sale.
That is
The ones at the
lot.
pet store for 30. 40, 50.
Well, we bought one from the pet store last time. But Davison, listen.
Mommy, look at that face.
I know, but
We're on our way to St. Simon's with Sophie. We're taking Sophie with us. And it's her very first beach day. And she's so excited. Are you so excited? Are you excited? And here's Hunter. I hadn't seen him in a long time.
What up?
So, we're on our way there. I'm finally using my Yeti cup. The other
What up?
You're at your feet, Sophie. Hunter. Sophie loves the beach. Update.
Hey, just the warning, the tide's coming in more.
It's fun. Do you have a day at the beach? Do you have a day at the beach?
Sophie, did you have a good day? Yeah?
Did you go swimming in the ocean? Did you go swimming in the ocean? You want a BLT?
What do we do, Dave?
We went to St. Simon's, and we went in the ocean. Well, I went in the ocean. Hunter didn't really go in the ocean.
I got my knees. Come on.
Well, he got his knees in the ocean. I sat down in the ocean with the baby, and she went swimming for the first time in the ocean and the beach, and she got muddy, real muddy. We had to clean her.
She almost drowned 4 times. Cute. So that's today, I guess.